Hello, I'm out here tonight. I'm about to camp for the night, and I brought a meal. This here is a Wilderness Wok. I'm going to use that to cook. And what I have in here is some leftover turkey that made into a turkey fajita mix in here. And also some 2-minute rice. This one here is long grain and wild chicken flavor, so it should go pretty good together. I've got it set up on the BSR 12, which I'm going to show you in a second. I'm going to dig this out and get some grub on. I'm rather hungry. A correction for the stove that I'm going to cook on. I've cooked on this stove before. It works great with this wok. It's the BRS 11. That's what I've got it on. This is the stove right here. It's a very stable stove with a line for your fuel. So this works really well with that wok. I'm going to show you the setup. So there's the stove, and this is the Wilderness Wok. Got it in the apocabox a couple months ago. Got a cutting board. That's the spatula that it was a challenge to carve one out of the wood that they supplied. Also have a scrubber and a stainless steel knife. So this, as you see, fits on there great. And there is your lid. So, like I said, I'm going to heat up my rice first, and then put in the turkey fajita mix. First off, I'm going to put a little bit of water in here for the rice, right there, and then I'm able to put the rice in. After that, I'll start the stove. Right there. Smells some good. This heated up very fast. Got a glove on just in case this does get hot. It's not hot right now, but just safety, I'm wearing gloves. Just gonna let this cook a couple minutes, then I'm gonna throw in the turkey fajita. Let that go about 2 minutes, and now I'm going to turn this way down. Just want to warm this fajita mix up. Got to watch now that it doesn't stick, but I just want to warm it up. That does look yummy. I'll turn the heat right off. That is going to be a good meal out here in the bush. Miles from anywhere. This ought to be pretty sweet. So there it is there. I've already tried a little bit. Had to clean the spatula, of course. But they always say that everything tastes better out in the woods. It does seem to, but wow, this is good. good combo for sure. And I'm going to enjoy this. Just wanted to show you how the Wilderness Wok works. And I've had sausage in it and such. It's a really cool little, piece of cook set. I was very excited when I seen it in the apocabox, and I love using it. So I want to thank you for watching. Take care. I'm going to eat up and enjoy my camp out. All the best.